Okay everyone, for my second video, I'm going to work on making something we use very frequently in my house, which is rice. As you can see, I'm going to the recently cooked menu. And it's right here because I do it really frequently. I'm restarting the recipe because I want to start from the beginning. So let's get started. Okay, first it says I need 1,000 grams of water. If you watch where it says 0 grams, it is going to measure every gram of water I pour in here. I have to be careful though. It's easy to go past. And I don't have a spoon or a cup nearby to pull anything out. Which is why this is the second time I'm making this video.
Are you gonna mix it?
I am, Ivy, don't worry. So I have always been rubbish at making rice. I make it crunchy, I make it chewy, I make it wet. The one thing I don't do is make it well. We're going to stop at, oh, perfect, 1,000 grams. Next, I'm going to skip the salt. We don't add salt. And I'm going to skip the olive oil or butter. We don't like that in my house. So, insert simmering basket. This is the Thermomix simmering basket. Yay! Mine probably has rice residue on it because I didn't rinse it well enough. That's okay. It's just for my own family. And then we are going to add the rice. Now, it says to mix rice well with spatula. This is the handy dandy Thermomix spatula. I'm just going to go in here. You know what you didn't see me do? You did not see me rinse the rice. You don't need to rinse the rice with Thermomix. It is going to shoot so much water up at this. And all of that extra starch and yuck, it's all going to go to the bottom of the Thermomix and off of your rice. Now, we're going to insert our lid. Put my measuring cup back in and hit next. So if you see here, 20 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius, and then it wants me to turn the speed to 4. Okay, so in 20 minutes I'll check back in with you. Okay everyone, as you can see, the Thermomix has finished. I was going to show you right away when it dinged, but my camera was full, so I had to delete something so that we could move forth. Okay. Wow, do you see that steam? That is some hot rice. This is always a question for me, like how do I get this out of here? Well, this is my little trick. Someone tell me if they have a better method. I just use a spoon. I drop it on a plate. Oops. And then I pick it back up. Voila. Whoops. Okay, so as you can see, you've got beautiful. That top looks a little wet, but as you look inside, it's actually really nice. And as some of that steam escapes, it's going to dry out a little bit. So what I do is I take just a bit of rice, maybe 2 scoops. And then I have here a veggie patty. And wait for it, wait for it. I also just quickly took some avocado and mixed it up with some lime and some salt for a quick guac. And that, my dears, is lunch. Now, I want to show you, I told you earlier that the Thermomix would leave all that gunk in there. Look at that. All of that rice, starch, dirt, everything is in the water and not in your rice, and you didn't have to spend any time rinsing it. I used to have to rinse it. I'll give you some rice. I used to have to rinse it 8 or more times. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for enjoying my Thermomix with me. I better give this child some rice.